Hello, my creative thinkers. It's been a while since I've done a vlog or video. Things have been very busy for me. And sorry about the echo, by the way, while you're here listening to or watching this video. But I am here in my new office. So this is actually an office vlog, a studio vlog. And I just wanted to kind of check in and give an update about what's happening with the company and what's going on with me. But basically, yeah, I opened up a new office. See, look, this is me. See? I opened up a new office in the South Bronx, and it's been quite busy. I've been transitioning a little bit. So I have two spaces that I'm currently running, and I've been unpacking here. It's a little echoey, and I'm about to do a podcast. All of my stuff is not in yet, so if you can see in here, there's really nothing in here. I painted and I have my little person here, but there's not much else. You see, I've got like a little stool that I got here and my bag, and I put some stuff here, as you can see. I will do like a little tour of the place. So this is where like I keep our coats here. This space is, I want to say roughly maybe about 500, 600 square feet. Not quite sure. Very high ceilings, and I share it with 3 other people currently. But that's pretty much it, what's been going on with me. Today I have to do some work here, so I have to do some painting up here, and I have to do some paperwork today. Today is the first day that I will be working all day in the space. So yeah, that's pretty much been it. So it's been interesting. Tomorrow, my neighbor will be moving my materials and everything in here. So that's gonna be great because I need to feel comfortable, and right now I am not very comfortable. And I feel disappointed because I took the time to make myself coffee this morning and I felt so proud of myself, and then I left my coffee in my other studio. And I was like, oh my God, what did I do? So that sucked. But yeah, so let me get some food in my system and then paint and then do the podcast, which is late. And if you have not listened to the first podcast, listen. I'll put a link down below for that podcast. But yeah, it's a very interesting look into what's going on with the company, and that podcast is coming out only on Patreon. I'll put a link there as well every single month. Okay, guys? The air conditioning did not come on yet, but yes. And excuse me if I'm speaking very quietly. Nobody's in the office, but there is a huge echo in this space. So that's why I'm kind of just keeping the volume a bit down. So yeah, let's see. I put this up here, which is really cool. This is my new chalkboard. I have a nice little chandelier up here. This is my lunch. And I have a desk and an office space right here. And this right here is where I keep all my equipment. So there's everything in here and it's nice and neat. So I can zip this up and be able to keep all of my stuff neatly in one place. Okay, so this is pretty much the aftermath of, oh, this light is not good. This is pretty much the aftermath of moving into my new space. As you can see, I still have a bunch of stuff that needs to be organized in this space. And then I have to do inventory. So that's gonna take me quite a while. It's probably going to take me about 2 months to do inventory and get the second space up and running. But it's been a great experience. I've been really happy with, oh, let's sit down. I've been really happy with what I am currently doing. I want to get more into it, but I feel like it'll be better if I just write out a nice little blog. So I'm just gonna leave a link down below so that you can kind of understand why I needed to open up an office space outside of this particular space that I'm working in, how that's going to run and the open hours and stuff like that. But I feel really good about this and I'm super excited. Everybody I work with is so nice. And yeah, it's been amazing. And for the most part, I feel a lot more productive and that's important. I felt like I was scattered. But now I feel a little bit more productive and I'm onboarding some new people to work with me. So that's going to be really great. And I'm starting some new initiatives as well as helping to rebuild a farm. So things are pretty good. Things are pretty awesome. Okay, so I'm going to end it here, but I will see you creative thinkers later. Bye-bye.